Hey guys, for all the productivity nerds out there, I'm sure that Notion has been on your radar. Notion is the fastest growing productivity tool in 2020, and I think that it is one of the best tools that I have ever encountered when it comes to task management um, and improving your productivity. If you, it's highly flexible, and that's also one of the issues with Notion because it's so flexible that you can get a little bit overwhelmed on how to do things. And I have spent a majority of time trying to come up with a template that works for me, who is a serial procrastinator. So if you're a serial procrastinator, I really hope that this task management system that I have built helps you. So here is an overview. Uh, my whole philosophy is that if you want to get things done, you need to have it in front of you. And that's why I built this template where we have an overview of what are the tasks that you need to do today, what are the tasks that you need to do tomorrow, this week, and then you have a calendar overview of your entire schedule. Again, this is in keeping in mind a procrastinator's mindset. I'm a serial procrastinator, I promise you. And if you are struggling to keep up with your tasks, then I highly recommend that you follow this template, copy it. I'll have a link below, and use it. So here is how I use this template. So we have task to do today, where I have the task name, the date, of course, the status of the task, and importance and urgency. And these things are important because it helps me decide which task I should attack first. And the priority you can see here is a formula where if the importance is really high and it's really urgent, then that's what I need to get done first. And this is based on the Eisenhower matrix. For those of you who are not familiar, I have a link to the book, The Lazy Man's Guide to Productivity. And that's where I have written down how you can attack most of your tasks based on how important they are and how urgent they are. So you have you fill in the importance and urgency, and it shows you through an automatic formula whether you need to get it done immediately or you have some time for it. You have the day, you have files, you have people you can assign the tasks to, and you have projects and tags. This is the master overview for today. And if you see the sorting and filtering, it shows that it is on or before today. So in case yesterday I had some tasks that I didn't get to, well, I'm a procrastinator, so that might happen. I want it to be shown in today's task so that I can get to it or I can take it off. All of this comes from the task master task database, which I'm going to show you in a little while. I'm pulling in and this is a page that I created which just shows the overview. So here is all my tasks that I need to get done today. So in case I say that this one is done, it just goes off from here. And rest, we just need to get shit done today. All right. And then we have an overview of tomorrow where this is filtered for all the tasks that I need to do tomorrow, which is great to have a view on, okay, can I do this today or should I move it to tomorrow, or how does my day look like tomorrow? And after that, I think it's fantastic to have a look of the entire week to see all the tasks that I need to get done. And again, like the book Lazy Man's Guide to Productivity says, if you don't schedule it, it's never going to get done. So schedule all your tasks and have a look at it and go through it. I'm telling you that for a serial procrastinator like me, Notion has been a game changer. And the final overview here is a calendar view, and we also have an entire task list view, but I like to view this as a calendar just to see what's going on. I've not filled this up because this is a template that I want to share with you, and it's not my personal template. So this is how it looks like. If you want to know how I built it, I can show it to you as well, maybe in a separate video. But all of these tasks come from the master task database. Let me just show you the database here. So here is the database where we have a formula where if I change the status to completed, there's an automatic tick mark here. You have the name of the task, the date. Like I said, schedule every task that you need to get done, no matter how small, no matter how big. put in a time, put in a date. It helps procrastinators get to it. This is I haven't used this so far because I want to group it by day, and this is a formula which tells me the exact day of the week. I'm gonna keep improving this template and maybe get back to you when I have some more updates on it. I have the projects here. This is really important. Like I said, fill in how important it is so that it's sorted out in the right manner. So if you can see here, these would be when I'm sorting it out, these would be much higher. This would be second, um, and the snooze one would be last. And I took this from Marie Pauline, who is an expert at Notion. She runs the Notion office hours. If you want to know exactly how to build a lot of things, I think you should watch her video. She is really amazing. I can actually link to some of her videos in the description. And I took this the way she has prioritized from one of her videos and incorporated it into mine so that it fits my procrastinator's mindset. Uh, Priority matrix is a formula that helps me bring these symbols in. Again, I can go in depth in the next video on how I built this, but this is the main master task. Uh, if you want, we could just go through and fill in one. Let's say buy groceries today, and I want to do it not started yet. I want it for, let's say, tomorrow. And if you remember, there was no tasks on to in my overview for tomorrow. How important it is. I'm actually running out of stuff, of course, because I've been procrastinating on buying important stuff. So it's high and it's urgent, so it's up there. Priority one. It's assigned to me, so I'm not going to use this. I don't have any files. So if I have a grocery list, I can just link the files here, but right now I don't. So that's it. It's not started. So now if I go back to my overview, I see I see that tomorrow there's a new task here. So buy groceries. And if I want, I can even change this and have a time. So tomorrow at 10 a.m. Remind me 10 minutes before because my grocery store is really close by. Okay, so this is how you do it. So now here it shows up. This week it's showing me what I need to get done. And I have the entire calendar here. So grocery has shown up here. So this is the overview. I really hope that this helps you. I have the link to the template so you can copy and use it for free. Um, and I'll keep you updated on more as I add more features like projects and people and journals into this template. I'm going to keep you updated. So keep watching this channel so that you learn more tools on how to be productive. Get out there and get shit done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.